Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Alex. From a tender age, Alex possessed an insatiable thirst for knowledge and an unwavering determination to achieve greatness. He dreamt of exploring the world, making a difference, and leaving a lasting impact on people's lives. However, life had a way of testing Alex's resolve. Growing up in a humble family, he faced countless obstacles that threatened to dim his spirit. Limited resources, societal expectations, and self-doubt clouded his path. But Alex refused to succumb to the weight of his circumstances. He held on tightly to his dreams, believing that with perseverance and hard work, he could transcend his limitations. One sunny afternoon, while wandering through the enchanting forest that bordered his village, Alex stumbled upon a weathered, old man sitting beneath a majestic oak tree. Intrigued by the man's serene demeanor, he approached him and struck up a conversation. Little did he know that this encounter would forever alter the course of his life. The old man, named Elijah, possessed a wealth of wisdom and had spent a lifetime collecting stories of courage, resilience, and triumph. Sensing Alex's deep yearning for inspiration, Elijah began recounting a tale that had been passed down through generations. He spoke of a tiny seed, carried by the wind and deposited onto the fertile soil. This seed, inconspicuous and unassuming, possessed the potential to become a mighty oak tree. It held within it the power to provide shelter, nourishment, and beauty to the world. But first, it had to overcome a series of formidable challenges. The seed faced darkness, Elijah said, his voice filled with reverence. Buried deep within the earth, it knew not of the world above. Yet, it clung to a flicker of hope, an unwavering belief that there was something greater awaiting it. The seed faced pressure, he continued, his eyes sparkling with wisdom. As it lay nestled in the soil, the weight of the earth pressed upon it. But instead of surrendering, it used the pressure as fuel for growth. It pushed against the darkness, inching closer to the surface. The seed faced uncertainty, Elijah whispered, his voice tinged with awe. With no guarantee of what lay beyond the comfort of the soil, it had a choice to make. It could remain where it was, safe but stagnant, or it could take a leap of faith and reach for the sunlight, embracing the unknown. Alex listened intently, captivated by the story and the wisdom it held. He saw himself mirrored in the journey of the seed, a small being with boundless potential, facing darkness, pressure, and uncertainty. The story resonated deep within his soul, igniting a fire of determination and resilience. From that day forward, Alex vowed to live by the lessons he had learned. He embraced his challenges as stepping stones to success, viewing every setback as an opportunity for growth. With unwavering belief in himself, he embarked on a relentless pursuit of his dreams, ready to face the world head-on. His journey was far from easy. There were times when doubts crept in, when failure threatened to derail his progress. But Alex refused to be swayed. He reminded himself of the seed and its unwavering determination to bloom, no matter the odds. Through perseverance and hard work, Alex began making strides towards his goals. He sought knowledge, honed his skills, and cultivated a mindset of resilience. With each passing day, his confidence grew, and his impact on the world expanded. Years later, Alex stood atop a mountain peak, overlooking the vast expanse before him. He had traveled far and wide, touched countless lives and achieved remarkable feats. He had become a beacon of inspiration, spreading hope and motivation to those who crossed his path. Alex's journey had taught him invaluable lessons. He had learned that success is not defined solely by external achievements but by the growth and transformation that occur within. He understood that the greatest battles are often fought within oneself, and it is in overcoming those inner obstacles that true greatness is achieved. As he stood on that mountaintop, Alex felt a profound sense of gratitude for the challenges he had faced along the way. Each hurdle had forged his character, sharpened his resolve, and propelled him closer to his true potential. He knew that without the darkness, he would not have appreciated the light. Without the pressure, he would not have discovered his strength. And without the uncertainty, he would not have embraced the beauty of the unknown. Looking back on his journey, Alex realized that the power to create one's destiny lies within. It is not the circumstances that define us but how we respond to them. With unwavering belief, determination, and a willingness to face adversity head-on, anyone can rise above their limitations and achieve greatness. As the wind gently rustled the leaves around him, Alex made a silent vow to continue inspiring others. He knew that there were countless individuals out there, just like him, who needed a spark of motivation to ignite their own journeys of self-discovery and growth. And so, he dedicated his life to sharing his story, to guiding others towards their dreams, and to reminding them that within each of them lies an extraordinary seed waiting to bloom. With his words and actions, he aimed to empower others to embrace their challenges, to trust in their abilities, and to embark on their own transformative journeys. In the end, Alex's story serves as a testament to the power of resilience, determination, and unwavering belief. It reminds us that no matter where we come from or what obstacles we face, we all have the potential to create a life of purpose, fulfillment, and profound impact. So, dear reader, as you embark on your own journey, remember the tale of Alex and the seed. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are the catalysts of growth. Believe in yourself, even when doubt tries to overshadow your dreams. And always remember, within you lies the power to bloom and create a legacy that will inspire generations to come.